Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a residual plot in Google Sheet. So let's begin. First, predicted values equal or forecast A to B. See this formula. Press enter. Autofill click check mark, then use autofill or double click to this plus icon, then autofill. Again apply the same process. First type equal B2 minus C2. Press enter. Okay, then use A2, select A10, hold Ctrl D2 D10, go to insert tab, chart, setup, chart type, drop down, find scatter chart, and now see this result. Customize chart style, series, error bars, data labels, trend line. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.